Okay folks, we're back again for another Italian food review. This time we're back at Mario's in Delray Beach. They're located at 14816 Military Trail in Delray Beach. The place has been here since 1985. Last time we were here, we did our meatball review. They did not do well at all. If I remember correctly, their regular meatball got a 4.3 and their chicken meatball got a 4.5. It was unfortunate. They were very dense, not very well made, but it happens. It doesn't mean everything is bad. Now we're here to try a real Italian Sicilian delicacy, a rice ball, otherwise known as an arancini. Here it is, folks. Here's the rice ball. Huge. Okay, what I like about it first off is that it's not greasy. My hands are not full of grease. Okay? Before I get started on this, though, I need you to hit that like button. I need you to hit that subscribe button, and I need you to hit the bell to remind you each and every time we have a new video. Guys, yes, you're right. I have gained more than 15 pounds since I started doing these videos, so the guys who are commenting online, you are spot on. Here we go. Rice ball, arancini.
Inside of it.
Okay.
That one?
We're going to check.
How are they usually made?
Where's the knife? Oh, here it is. So we're going to cut into it to see if this is truly the Sicilian style. Yes, it is. That's the way the Sicilians make them. There's a ragu with meat and peas. So let's try it. Taste the ragu part of it. Okay, so what do I compare these to? I compare them to my mom and how my mom used to make them. It's the only really benchmark I have, because it's not something we ordered in restaurants when we were old enough in my 20s, when I finally first ate in a restaurant because we were so poor growing up. But it's okay. I think if it was warm, it would have been better, but it's nowhere near as bad as their meatballs are. So I would say that this rice ball is a 6-2 as arancini go. That's a real arancini rice ball review by a real authentic Italian. 6.2. That's my score.